Look at this machine tool light in my hands. Its model number is F9E. It is an aluminum machine tool light, and it is much longer than previous F9 series. The surface of the light body is made of high-strength tempered glass, which has strong high-temperature stability. We use the LED light beads in this kind with high brightness and energy saving. The light body has two styles, L-shaped, fixed bracket, and a sliding bracket. The input voltage can be 24 volts or 220 volts. And let me light it up for you. Look forward to cooperating with you. Oujie Lighting.